Head is the call.
پزلو پورې سیالۍ کی او آوټ سوینګ کوي نو فیلډر شته هغه یوازې ننداره کوي درې ټپکو وروسته په میدان باندې سلوریزا او د شهزاد بیټ پر نوم چارج دی او نن هم پر اتک سره په لومړي بال باندې ګوډلین سره لافټ ډرایو بال د باونډري لاین په طرف باندې د څلورو منډو لپاره صدیق الله دلته که چېرته په دغه ځای کې بالینګ کوي نو ریزلټ به یې همدا وي
او ریسټ ورک مړوند سره صدیق اتل ډیر پیاوړی دی
نو منډې به خامخا راځي یا هم بیټ ته نږدې باول نه کوي اوهو ټایمینګ په زړه پورې دی د صدیق الله اتل بال بیا هم د باونډري لاین په طرف باندې د وایډ لانګا په طرف باندې سلوریزا
تر مخکې پیچ کړ سلاټ کې اسانه وسله
پول کولو کوشش مډ وکټ ایریا کې څوک نشته سلوریزا
او دا اسانه و صدیق اتل ته تر څو یې تر باونډرۍ ورسوي که څو وروسته پیچ کړ ورو دغه ځوان چټک توپ اچوونکی د یوې ډېرې ښې پورې وسیلې لاندې خو دلته شهزاد د بهترین په زړه پورې ټچ او پاڼ کې دغه بال له باونډرۍ څخه
باندې هم کولی شي ځکه هلته باونډري سیف کېږي ایج لګېږي او سلوریزا بخت د محمد شهزاد سره دی
دا ځل بیا هم مخکې پیچ کړ غوښتل چې
Airborne over the top. Should trickle into the boundary for 4. Shehzad going hard.
Everything to plan. Sometimes it's also better to put runs on the board. That's a shot and a half by Sadiq Ataullah. That's a shot of a great player. Just a short arm jab over mid wicket.
Swung away over square leg for 6.
Spagiza! That was a juicy shin high full toss, dealt with ease by Siddiqullah. Against class players who are standing tall, good head positions, just swing of the bat. Beautiful.
Shot. He just waited for it and played it beautifully. Very well placed stroke from Siddiq for 4.
Slightly shorter in length. Sadiq
Improved drastically. Gets the edge, it's coming fine. Fielder in pursuit, won't reach their boundary to finish the 8th over. 64 without loss.
او دلته مخکې راځي او بال د څلورو منډو لپاره په ایکسټرا کور باندې د محمد شهزاد محمدي له لوري په سلوریزې سره رحیمي ته ښه راغلاست
ډېره مننه ساک
نن صدیق ډېر ښه ردم کې ښکاري او بالکل شپږیزه هغه شاټ چې صدیق پرې مشهور دی
خراب بالا او ډېره ښه استفاده په لیګ سټمپ باندې په اسانۍ سره یې راواخیسته په ډیپ فاین لیګ باندې شپږیزه دلته صدیق ته که چېرته موقع ورکړې بهر بال به خامخا صدیق چیړي
یو چا چې ډېرې وکټې اخیستي ظاهر خان دلته ریورس سویپ وهي که شهزاد نه توانېږي صدیق اتل توانېږي تر څو په ریورس سویپ باندې سلوریزه ترلاسه کړي څوک ګټي او دلته شاټ تر سره کوي او بالکل بال د څلورو منډو لپاره لوبیږي شهزاد محمدي چې رقم انداز ښکاره کېده او دغه مقابله د دغه بال شهزاد وګټل او څلور منډې تر سره کړې
ښه توپ نه و زما په فکر ځکه هلته وړاندې سکویر لیګ بهر و له دې توپ نه مخکې که تاسې خیالي سحاق هغه یې دننه کو په مډ وکټ باندې هلته یې توپ وکړو هلته ډګر ساتونکی نه
توپ اچونه وله دې وړاندې د سپین غر له لوري او دلته ګورو چې درې فیلډران او بالاخره شمس توانېږي څومره زبردسته کیچ که ووایو د شپږیزې په دغه 7 سیالیو کې غوره کیچ دغه حساب شي نو کمه به نه وي
دلته که وګورو شهزاد ته یې دوکه ورکړه هغه فکر کو چې دی به ماته تیز بال کوي سلو بال یې وکړو فول ټاس یې وکړو هماغه و چې هغه تیز بال ته ولاړو او صحیح میډل نشو او کیچ هم ډیر زیات د ستایلو دی ځکه ریورس کې کیچ اخیستل اسانه
یو توپ باندې بیا هم ظاهر خان راغی او دلته څومره بهترینه شاټ بالکل بال د څلورو منډو لپاره د حشمت الله شهیدي له لورې لوبیږي
لکه چېرته شاته ولاړ وی رحمت شاه موقع وه
little bit. It's gripping a little bit. Sadiq gets hold of it and will send it for a huge six. Half century. Half century for Sadiqullah Atal. And in some style. He's been getting starts, but he's never converted thus far. That story changes today and the smile just gets bigger.
He has been tremendous for Afghanistan cricket over the 1.5 years. His connection, his middling everything, just taking his front leg out of the way and smacking it out of this.
Sadiqullah Atal. And will be 6 more. Taking the fielder on. Sadiqullah says challenge accepted. Shams has been taken to the cleaners after picking up a wicket in the previous over.
Teasing the fielder on the boundary. This time straight down the ground. Picking the length early. Lovely swing of the blade. Supreme confidence on display. Is found. Everything was right about this delivery, barring the catch.
Sadiqullah Atal is living. A beautiful shot. Hashmat's hit that as if he's the one who set the field.
Absolutely. It's his strength area. He gets a lot of boundaries from that region. Point to. Lovely stroke. Lovely stroke for 6. He's got the power and he's got the distance as well this time around with the connection.
He's looking at the bat in dismay because he wanted it to go longer. This is rubbing salt in the wound. The cutter was picked up and posted a long, long way. Shahidi winning the battle now. Massive hit. Using his feet this time around. No challenge presented. They're looking at each other because someone's got to bring the ball back. Excellent placement. Gets the bounce.
200. I'm joined by Syed Naseem Sadat as he is welcomed by a beautiful boundary of the bat of Hashmatullah Shahidi. Good afternoon, Sadat.
Good afternoon. It's not up. Excellent fielding there in the circle and a quick run between the wickets, and he hit the wicket directly and they are appealing for it.
Oh my goodness. Is there a thing called comment?
Here it is, and yes, yes, he's gone.
I see some different kind of excitement coming from you. I have a feeling I am sitting next to a Spingar Tiger fan who is more than the commentary that he should be enjoying the wicket fall of the Bande Amir Dragons. And let's wait for the decision.
Not at all. I
And
love
you've
all
already-
the teams, love all the players.
Wickets, launch pad. It's just how good the Spingar Tiger bowlers react to this. It's a good shot off the bat of Gulbadin Naib to end the over. 13 runs coming off it. After the off spinner. Gulbadin Naib and takes the wicket. This is brilliant bowling from Shams Karokhel.
Yeah, it's a big win. And that was 6 against Fazal Haq Farooqi. And once again, he's doing the same thing here. It's high and beautiful. 6 for Sadiqullah Pacha right on the first delivery he faced.
Wow, he's developing a trend, hitting sixes on the first ball. Last match, first ball he faced, he smashed it for a maximum. And this time around again, the very first ball he faces into his arc. And Sadiqullah Pacha smashes this for a big.
Yeah, that is what.
He's bowled him. 2 wickets in the over, sending back both Gulbadin Naib early on and now Hashmatullah Shahidi.
Yeah, that is why, if you remember,
5 or 10 runs at this stage. is what they've been able to stop. But Siddiqullah Pacha is sent it straight into the hands of the fielder. That is good bowling from Faraidun. Quick wickets.
Yeah, that's not a good news for Bandi Amir fans. They have lost Siddiqullah Pacha, a power hitter. Because as long as the matches are high scoring, they will witness lots of maximums and boundaries. And here comes another boundary I was just talking about. This is the entertainment provided by T20 cricket.
Now I'm a little confused. Whose side are you on? Man, that boundary had come from the Band.
Support good cricket. I support all the stars. Once again playing in the gap. And here comes another boundary by Nangyal Kharoti. Back-to-back boundaries.
Wow, that's good cricket. That's really, really good cricket. Nangyal Kharotai targeting that one area.
Guys are brilliant in the fielding.
Oh, he's picked the slower one. Asif has picked the slower one and is sent it for the boundary. That's good batting. Times the ball kept just a little low. And this is what happened. Siddiq scoring 7.
Here comes the bowling card. Mohammad Ibrahim.